Baykar, the Turkish company known for its cutting-edge drone technology, has just achieved a major milestone. The company successfully completed the 54th test flight of its Bayraktar KALKAN VTOL drone, marking an important step in its development. This milestone highlights the drone's long-range communication capabilities, which now exceed 100 kilometers, setting the stage for even greater advancements. The Bayraktar KALKAN VTOL is a mini tactical UAV designed for reconnaissance and intelligence missions. Its hybrid design combines vertical takeoff and landing capabilities with efficient fixed-wing flight, giving it the flexibility to operate in tight spaces and cover large areas. With a payload capacity of 3 kilograms, the KALKAN is equipped with advanced sensors like electro-optical and infrared cameras, a laser rangefinder, and a laser designator, making it perfect for day and night surveillance. This drone can operate at altitudes up to 14,000 feet, has a 6-hour endurance, and can communicate over distances of up to 100 kilometers. These features are vital for precise coordination and real-time data transfer in challenging environments, where traditional communication methods might fail. The KALKAN's hybrid propulsion system, which integrates 4 electric motors for vertical flight and a combustion engine for cruising, ensures optimal energy efficiency and longer mission times. The 54th test flight was specifically aimed at testing the long-range communication systems on board the KALKAN, ensuring that it can provide reliable real-time feedback during missions. This capability is essential for modern military and civilian operations, where seamless communication is critical for success. Compared to other VTOL drones like those from JOUAV or Wingtra, the Bayraktar KALKAN stands out with its combination of advanced sensors, hybrid propulsion system, and versatile operational range. Its performance makes it a strong competitor in the growing VTOL drone market, offering users an ideal balance of performance, flexibility, and cost efficiency. As VTOL drone technology continues to evolve, the KALKAN is leading the way with its cutting-edge design and capabilities. Baykar's continued advancements in drone technology promise to shape the future of unmanned aerial systems, positioning the KALKAN as a strategic tool for missions across various sectors. With the successful test flights and the growing capabilities of the KALKAN, it's clear that Baykar is paving the way for the next generation of tactical drones. The future of drone technology looks brighter than ever, and the Bayraktar KALKAN is set to play a key role in shaping that future.